So nutrition is something that's, it's necessary for basic health, for maintaining the basic health, right? In terms of preventing any kind of deficiency, and to prevent any kind of diseases that might be caused due to those deficiencies. So eating right, in right combinations, right quantities, right way, is something that's more important, and that's where nutrition or right eating habits come into the picture.
स्पोर्ट्स न्यूट्रिशन, बेसिकली न्यूट्रिशन आपल्या किचन मध्येच असतं, सगळ्याच गोष्टी आपल्या किचन मध्ये.
Right types of foods, right types of right combinations of foods, and in correct timings. All these three factors, they play a major role for a athlete.
आपल्या घरातलं किचन मधलं जे होम फूड आहे, ती स्पेशली आम्ही रेकमेंड तेच करतो, कारण ते सर्वात बेस्ट आहे.
Yes, so definitely. So I believe a lot of, believe in working with the grassroots players, because that is the main age where they, have that good muscle adaptability, or their training or eating habits are formed in that age.
So when we come for your practice, so your body needs energy to function properly, right? So you need your body's stores to be full of energy. So you need a good snack or a good meal that you need to have before you come for practice.
It is very important for them to make them understand, make them counsel on how right types of foods will help them ace up their sport. Why not just skills are important, not just training habits are important, but why particular nutrient or particular diet strategy might help them enhance their sporting performance.
Usually पोळी भाजी किंवा असंही काही आपण खाल्लं 2-3 hours before your workout, that is absolutely fine, because this is going to give you a steady release of energy. Okay? But still I would say that coming for ground, at least half an hour or 1 hour before, then you need one small snack at that time as well. So the ideal time when you should be having something like eggs or milk or any fish is after.
So it's a lot of work is happening around amateur players, where I've been working with a lot of amateur footballers, amateur kabaddi players as well, amateur cricketers as well, where a lot of counseling basically is more important in amateur players. Only once they know why it is important, only once they know the importance of it, only then the practices are possible.
So what best thing that usually we recommend for school and grassroots level athletes is chocolate milk. Okay, because so even if you're having a glass of Bournvita, even that is going to do good for you. Okay, because you're getting good quality of protein through that, you're getting good amount of carbohydrates also from that.
फर्स्ट मी कसं आहे की मी आज भरपूर व्यायाम करतोय, किती खाल्लं तरी दुसऱ्या दिवशी मी जाऊन ते बंद करणार आणि मी त्याच्यामध्ये फिट राहणार. हा सर्वात मोठा मीथ आहे. दुसरा मीथ असं आहे की नॅचरली मला अळीवाचा लाडू किंवा खूप चांगलं कॅल्शियम मिळतं आणि म्हणून मी ते लाडवामध्ये कितीही साखर असली आणि तूप असलं तरी मी ते खाणार, कारण त्यांनी मला एनर्जी लेवल्स मेंटेन होतात.
So you just need to understand what your body is telling you at that time, and you need to feed your body that.
So I thank you, Apurva madam and Saili madam. 2024 and 2028, as Apurva madam said, we are eagerly waiting for India to rock in Olympics, and I'm sure with professionals like you leading the sportsmen, India will definitely perform better.